Colin was the winner of our last competition. Well done, Colin. It was absolutely amazing. Your returns were 675.9%, which is nothing short of incredible. Your trade executions were spot on. It's not like you were just like hitting a one-hit wonder. And you just like I had a few trades. I mean, you had quite a lot of trades in there, right? The metrics were just incredible. The execution, the strategy, everything was spot on. So I think everyone wants to know, how the hell did you do that? And are you consistently doing that, Colin?
Currently, yes. If you ask me in the past, definitely not. This has been a 4-year journey for me. I started investing in it, but not trading it until very recently. And then stumbled upon Justin and his TikTok videos August last year. I think out of all the influencers that are on YouTube and TikTok, something just said to me, this guy speaks the truth. He's not bullshitting. He's not flashing around Lamborghinis and fancy estates. Genuinely there telling the truth and not over-promising anything. And I hooked onto it. Found the Money Tribe. After going through the 8 pillars, I actually left the job that I started last year into something more flexible where I'm consulting. I now have time to study trading more while consulting, having tax benefits. So really taking the 8 pillars into account during this whole process.